Hey guys, it's Megan. Today I wanted to do a video that I've been wanting to do for a couple of weeks now, and that is a quick crash course on TikTok. Don't judge me. TikTok is more than just for teenagers and high schoolers. We can use it too. So
TikTok.
I really wanted to make this video because for the past month or so I had been obsessed with it. I had downloaded it last year and posted one video and forgot about it until we got locked in, and I decided to discover it again, and I fell in love with it because I know you guys remember seeing TikTok advertisements last year. Last year it was the most downloaded app period, right? So it was the most downloaded app in 2019, and when we saw the advertisements, it looks like, you know, it's just a bunch of people dancing and lip syncing to things. And come to find out, it was based off of that that app called Musical.ly. Do you guys remember that? Which was basically people dancing and lip syncing the songs. Well, TikTok kind of rebranded it, and now it's more diverse. More than that, there's tutorials, there's recipes, there's tips and advice from professionals. I've seen chiropractors on there, I've seen therapists giving advice and stuff like that. And also, which interested me, is that there's a plethora of photographers there, and they give tips and they give tips and different things that you can try out with your clients, or if you wanted to do self-portraits. There's so much to discover on there if you just go and look, I guess. So I know a lot of people don't want to download it, so I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what it looks like, how it could benefit you, and why you should be on there with me. Wow, Garrett, that video we did yesterday has 5,884 views.
Video.
The one that I was like...
Is that your girlfriend?
What? Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the one?
That's the one.
5,000?
Yeah.
Sheesh, how many followers you got?
185.
God damn it. See, that's what I'm saying.
I don't know. So
what's the name? Cheating.
Yeah, so
Cheating, Megan.
I'm still learning how to do TikTok. You know, some videos on here get a whole lot more love than I feel like they should, while others that I work real hard on don't get anything at all.
You just want to see trash.
But let's see. So let me start my screen record. And I'll walk you guys through everything very quickly so you can get an idea of what to expect before you even download it. Start recording. Okay, so I open it up, and let's just start here. This is my home page. I'm sorry, this isn't my home page. This is my profile, where you can see who I am. It shows your followers, how many people you're following, and how many likes you get on your videos comprehensively. It also shows you, it's linked to your Instagram, so if somebody goes to your profile and they want to learn more about you, they can go to your Instagram and see what you guys do, or what you do, who you are, and just learn more about you, and maybe even follow you on that platform as well. But back to TikTok. So and next to the Instagram button is this little save button. This is when you like a video, or if you want to save something, this is where it all goes. So this is where I save songs, and we'll get to that later. I don't want to get too far deep into that, but stop. But anyway, back to underneath that saved button, you can have a quick description of who you are. For me, I just say that, you know, I'm a millennial mommy, I'm a bomb wife, and I'm a wedding photographer, and everything that I post on TikTok revolves around those three personas of who I am. I also have my email address, just in case somebody in case somebody wants to reach me. In case somebody wants to reach me from there to work together, or do some type of partnership, I always put my email there. Underneath your bio, you have these three icons where this is just shows you from most recent to oldest, your videos, your TikToks. So TikTok is a platform of videos that span from 0 to 60 seconds. So you have 60 seconds to get your message across. Next to that icon is the locked icon. These are all my videos that I have privately. These are just little projects that I work on for myself that no one else can see. I just save it to my private stuff. And next to that is your all the videos that you like. So whenever you're watching a video, you can press the little heart icon and it'll put it over here so you can watch it later, or you can show somebody later. So like what I do is while Garrett's at work, and I'm on TikTok, if I see something I like that I want to show him, I put it out. I like it so I can show it to him later and we can laugh later. So, oh, you hit me and you cry? Okay, so that is everything on the home page, almost. Over here, you can go up at the top. You can, this is where you find friends. Oh my goodness. It's okay. This is where you can find like your Facebook friends, or if you have anybody in your contacts in your phone, this is where they'll be. And on the side where these 3 vertical buttons, dots are, this is where, you know, all of your privacy and safety account information is. All right, and now that's everything for the home, for your profile. So if we go to home, this is, when you first open up TikTok, you will start to see all of these different videos from people who TikTok believes that you want to see, or your friends. So there's 2 sections to this. There's the For You and there's Following. I'm under For You right now. These are the videos that are, oh, I love that. These are the videos that TikTok believes you want to see. Now the whole idea of TikTok, they want to keep you on here for as long as possible. So of course they're going to be giving you things that you know, match your description, or if you put hashtags in your videos, they will show up here like this. So now that's the For You. Now once you start to gain friends here and people who you like to follow, you can switch over to this Following section, and this only shows you your friends, people who you connect with, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much how that goes. Now while you're watching a video, let me just go to one of my videos to so when you're watching a video, you can always like it by pressing that heart, and you can leave a comment by going to that icon right there. And over here you can send it, you can save it, you can duet with somebody. There's a bunch of stuff. You can share as a GIF or GIF, however you want to pronounce it. But there is a lot of different options for that. Also, if you see a video that you like and the song that you like is there, you can go to this little, it looked like a little album. You click that album and you can add to your favorites by clicking that, and you can always use it later, or you can go to, ow, you can use this sound right now and use it just like that. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the home button. Once you get tired of doing the home button, if you want to try something different, you can switch over to Discover. This little magnifying glass will show you what's trending right now on TikTok, and why this is important. If you are trying to make it to a trending page, or if you're trying to get more followers, you can always check this out and see what are people watching, and you have more of a chance to show up on somebody's For You page. And the more times you can show up on the For You page, the more followers you get, and what? Okay. All right, and so that is the Discover page. If you go over to the plus, that is where you can start making videos. So like I said, you go, well, and that's where you start making videos. So you, oh, now you're being nice. So you can live record right here like this, or you can upload your own videos. I'll show you how to do that in another video. Like I said, this is just a quick crash course. So just there's 2 ways of making videos that way. Are you eating my hair? Stop. Or like I said, if you see a song that you like, you can use this sound and then you can just start recording that way. Stop, you just pulled all my hair out. So those 2 different ways that you can start making videos. Now you see these icons on the right hand side. Stop it. On the right hand side, of course, the first one is flip, where you can flip your camera and you can see on the other side. Pretty self-explanatory. The other icon is speed. You can speed up or slow down what you're shooting. The beauty icon, I don't know why you would ever even take that off. And let me see, filters. You can always add filters later, but if you wanted to add filters before you shoot, you can always do that. The timer is important for when you are doing music or like doing jumps. I will show you that in a different video. Maybe I'll show you right now really quick. So like, if I go here and I set the timer, you pick a part in the song where you would jump cut. You can choose a part in the song where you want it to stop and get ready for it to shoot. And while it's playing, you can do whatever you want to do until the time stops. Once it stops, you can choose another place in the song where you want it to start. Go from there. Maybe change up your positioning and do whatever you need to do from there. And as you can see, it picks up just like that. And when you play around with it some, you really start to get the hang of it, and that's how you do a TikTok. Alright, so moving on to the inbox icon. This shows you where all of your notifications are. So people who follow you, people who leave comments, people who reply to you on your comments on their things. This is where everything shows up. And at the top of the screen, you will see an actual inbox where your direct messages are. So when you become a friend with somebody who is also follows you back, so if you follow somebody and they follow you back, they become a friend, and then they just pop up in your direct messages, so you can send them a message and connect that way. And that is pretty much it, you guys. That is a quick overview of what TikTok is, what it does, and how you can benefit from it. I hope to see you guys there. I hope you guys follow me at Megapixels Media and that you guys post some awesome videos that we can share together. If you guys are not already subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you soon.